We're going to restore these headlights. As you can see, it's yellow. I already did one right here. Came out pretty decent. So all we did, we got some 800 sandpaper here, and we just sanded it all down, nice and smooth. Get whatever coating was on there off. After that, I washed it off with clean water, and I bought non-acetone nail polish remover. Took a nice clean rag. This is the dirty one from the other side. I soaked it with the acetone, and I made 2 swipes across the lights, and that's it. Made sure nothing got on the paint, and that was it. I'm going to do this one now, but it works pretty good. Here's the yellow one, and there's the clear one on my 04 Yukon. Restoration of headlights.